What's up guys, it's Paris. Today I decided to film a super random video, so if you can hear screaming in the background, I think like someone's outside. I'm about to go hang out with some friends. They're waiting for me right now, so I gotta go. But thought I'd bring you along. Don't really know what this video is gonna turn into, but yeah. Not good. I got me. So, walking to the bus stop now. It's not as rainy, but it's still raining. I feel like I'm being judged because I'm walking straight to the camera. But it's cool because you know what? Probably never gonna see these people again. So do I care?
Oh my god, stop.
Facial? But like, for reals? Oh my god. How cute that is. I don't even know if you can hear me because it's super, super loud. Yeah, Chiara just left us to go on the tram to her house. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's the situation.
Starring
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Get off. Thanks. Ooh. I was gonna get stuck. I literally. Okay, so we just got back and we're gonna show you what we brought in case you were interested. Probably not, but anyway. Go Macro Bar, and I love Go Macro Bars. But I've never seen this flavor before. It's banana and almond butter.
You fridge it?
Yeah, fridge it.
Everything's open because we've already like had a little.
Yeah, we've had a little nibble.
Yippee! We got farm chickpea puffs.
Nice. Oh. Okay, Charlotte's tried these before. This is the first time I've tried them, and let me tell you, these are incredible.
I think they're chili flavored, yeah.
Yeah.
Thai sweet chili, one of them.
Look at this. It's like,
Last but not least,
I've tried these before and these are so good. And they're gluten free.
banana flavored.
What are they? They're gluten free, no added sugar, and they're baked.
Eat when I get home.
Oh, so I can't wait to try this. I've just seen this on my Instagram, or most maybe. You guys have probably seen these on my Instagram already, but I have never tried this flavor, so super excited for these. Yeah, that's the situation. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I think I'm just gonna make some dinner and edit the vlog. So make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below any video ideas. I'm going to try and upload some more on YouTube. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon.